All right, so we are doing a demonstration of the Enzyme Lab, both day 1 and 2. Materials you might need is hydrogen peroxide, real chicken liver, a bunch of different test tubes labeled, and then apples, potatoes, and chicken meat. All right, so the first step is to take a test tube. Here, you hold that. And then you're going to take a piece of chicken liver. See? Drop it in. All right.
If it doesn't slide down, you can always use your glass stir rod to push it to the bottom.
There we go. Perfect. Then you're going to take 2 mils of hydrogen peroxide. You're going to put it into your test tube, and then you're going to watch. And feel what's going on. And so take a moment and pause and record your data. And I just want you to know it's starting to feel warmer. All right, so now we're going to take the used liquid and we're going to pour it into a new test tube. Okay, so we have this new used liquid, and we are going to put a brand new piece of liver and see what happens. Watch very carefully. I want you to take a moment, pause the video, and record your data. All right, so the final part of part A in the lab is to take your used liver and add new hydrogen peroxide and see what happens. So we're going to add 2 mils of hydrogen peroxide and record what happens. Again, if you were to feel this, it feels warm. The test tube is warming up. So pause the video and take a moment and record your data. All right, so now we are in part B, and so we are testing different tissues to see if there is catalase in those tissues, or if what's the concentration of catalase in the tissue. So we have potato, we have apples, and we have chicken meat, like from the breast. So we're going to pour hydrogen peroxide in the potato. And we are going to see what happens. Go ahead and record, pause, and record your data. All right, so now we are going to pour hydrogen peroxide into the apples. And you can see what's happening in the test tube. Record your data. All right, now we are taking the chicken meat and pouring hydrogen peroxide in the chicken meat.